47 days. Just 47 days left for my exam, and honestly, I haven't studied properly in months. Hey, I'm Anushka. I'm a second dropper, and this is the truth I just wanted to share with you all. I started this year thinking that this time I will give my 100%. No excuses or koi bhi regret nahi. But the last few months, they did not go how I planned. There were constant things happening in my life, and they were really bad ones. The kind that did not just distract you, but they stay in your head all day long. And slowly I realized that I have stopped studying. Not because I could not, but because mentally I just could not sit और अपने आप को बिल्कुल भी नहीं मना पा रही थी पढ़ने के लिए. The worst part is, I know I can study. Like if I sit right now, I know I will understand things. I know I can do questions, but I did not. And now, every day I wake up with this thought, I wasted so much time. January, I could have done better. February, gone. March, almost over. So, now it's like I'm stuck between two fears. Fear of studying and fear of not studying. My parents think I'm studying. They think I'm just scared. पढ़ लेगी, कुछ तो कर ही रही होगी. वो रोज आते हैं मेरे पास और कहते हैं कि बेटा कोई टेंशन मत लेना और पढ़ लेना, ओके? बट ये बातें मुझे सुकून की बजाय गिल्ट देती हैं. And the truth is, I haven't touched my books properly in so long. And that guilt, it's damn heavy. Because this was not just another year, this was my second drop. I really thought this year would be the year I will never regret. I even tried distracting myself, content creation, earning, literally everything, but nothing worked properly there either. So now it's like, I didn't study and I didn't even succeeded in escaping it. Matlab har jagah failure. Today I just felt like saying it out loud क्योंकि बैठे बैठे pretend करना that everything is fine is more exhausting than accepting the truth. And yes, so I wasted time and yes, I am behind. But I also know one thing, that I have to do something. So for the next 47 days, I'm not thinking about the months I lost. I'm not thinking about what if, क्योंकि इसी के चक्कर में मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट किया है. यही चीज़ है मुझे जिससे सबसे ज़्यादा एंजाइटी में डाला है. And something that just keeps on pushing me towards negative thoughts. So right now I'm just thinking, what can I still do, even if it's not perfect, even if it's not 100%. So I will still try. Guys, this is not a motivation video, by the way. I'm not here to inspire anyone. I think many of you might relate, or somebody might just think ये तो मेरी ही कहानी है, right? I just wanted to share, because if you're also someone who feels stuck, behind, or guilty, you're not alone, and maybe we can still fix something. So 47 days left. Let's see what happens. Bye-bye. Thank you for listening.